All right, guys, check this out. You guys will not believe this. I found my old STI. Man, big thanks to Dale. You know, he's off camera right now. No worries about that. But, you know, he just wanted to meet up and then see my old STI. Now, what are the chances? Now, check this out. I sold this car in Portland, Oregon, which is about 3 hours away from here. And what are the chances of someone local to me ending up buying my old STI? As you can see, I did change out some parts to where it was before. But really, the car hasn't really changed at all since then. I got the old wheels back on. Everything under the hood is still the same. Interior is still the same. But I am just so happy to see, you know, my old car, my old STI, back here local to me. Usually when I sell a car, that's it, it's done. I never see it again. It's one of the first times I ever sold a car, and there you go, I get to see it again, which is actually pretty cool. Subaru guy, he's probably gonna rev at us. All right, so let me just show you guys under the hood. This is gonna be a quick video, guys. We are pressed for time. It's like 3 o'clock, it's winter time. It's gonna get dark in like 30 or 40 minutes. But let me just show you real quick. Under the hood, stuff is still the same. There you go. Old BBR stage 4 blocked, turbo is still there. Other than that, car is still running fantastic as it was when I sold it. You know, a few things, a few hiccups, but you know, other than that, you know, Dale got it fixed and here it is. Running as good as when I sold it. See, front end is still there. Subi Speed V2 headlights, never took those out, kept those on the car. And you know, he's glad that I put it on there, but car is still at the same ride height. It does look pretty low, but you know, that for me, that was the perfect ride height. It's not too low, it's not too high. I didn't really scrape on anything, but as you can see, the car is still looking good. I'm really glad to see the car went to a good home. And check this out, we're at the old filming spot where we used to film videos of the old STI. But yeah, let's take a quick look around the car. As you see, stock headlights are back on, or stock taillights, I mean, back on, parent exhaust. Ooh, it is cold, man, damn. If you guys are looking for info, if you want to follow him on Instagram or on social media, I'll put his social media link right about here somewhere, so you guys go ahead and follow the progress of my old STI. But anyways, hey Del, can we take this for a drive, bro? All right, Del's gonna take me for a ride. We can just go down the street and then head back. Press for time. Oh, I remember that smell, that catless smell. Little twisties over there. Everything still feels the same, bro. That view, love it. There you go. Not gonna lie, I kind of miss that sound, Del. That external wastegate sound. Oh, yeah. Pretty cool. All right, we're now back at home from the park, seeing my old STI. Oh, by the way, in that box right over there, we got a new mod for the Supra, a nice big mod, well, semi-big mod, but we're gonna go over that in another video. But back from seeing my old STI, you know, it's a delight to see my old car just out on the road. Not only that, local to me, you know, I don't know what to say. I can't really say I miss it, but I do miss it. But I will say that I wouldn't mind owning another one in the future and just do things just a little bit differently than I did with my 2019 STI. But in the meantime, I'm gonna clean the car up because we gotta shoot tomorrow with the boys. You're gonna probably see that in about 2 seconds. Started to rain, but Ben, say something, man.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's starting to rain. Our plans got ruined today, but we're making the most of it.
Hell yeah, brother. Oh yeah, it does look weird.
It's okay.
Fuck. Oh, I gotta use 2 hands.
That was pretty good though.
That was pretty nice, man. Yo, you gotta catch you this far, bro. All right, guys. Thanks for watching JR's channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on mine. Peace out.